Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel, Mystical Ani. So, today we are going to do a monthly reading for Leo for the month of October 2025. This is a general reading, guys. So, please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. Okay. And also, I have posted October to December readings on my channel. If you are interested in seeing what 2025 has for you by end, so you can check that reading out. And let's see, what do the cards have? In this reading, we will see the overall energy, the key obstacles or challenges, actions or advice for you, what are the strengths and opportunities, and the probable outcome. And at the end, we will also take some guiding messages from the angels and ancestors deck. So please do stay till the end. Okay, so let's see, what do the cards have for Leo. What's the overall energy for Leo? Okay. All right. What are the key challenges or obstacles we have for Leo? All right. Okay, we'll take both. What are the actions or advice we have for Leo for October 2025? Actions or advice for Leo for October 2025. Actions or advice for Leo for October 2025. So, action or advice for Leo for October 2025. Okay. Let's see what are the strengths and opportunities we have for Leo. The strength and opportunities for Leo. Okay, let's see what's the probable outcome. What's the probable outcome for Leo? What's the probable outcome for Leo? All right. Okay. All right. So the overall energy for Leo is the King of Cups. So I see there is emotional stability. Okay, you are basically being emotionally stable, dealing with the situation with so much of maturity, calmness, and having that sense of maturity when it comes to dealing with your emotions. Maybe deep down your emotions are like, sometimes you feel good, sometimes you feel anxious, sometimes you feel sad or something like that. So it's like you know how to deal with your emotions and be being stable in a situation. Okay, even if the situation is a bit challenging, even if you see that there is so much happening around you, your emotions are like you're going through emotional turmoil, so you know how to be stable and how to deal with the situation, being confident, being stable, being having that capability of dealing with the situation, basically with the leadership quality. Okay, that is what I'm getting. It's like being stable even if the tides are too much ups and too much up and down is happening on the tides, but you know how to be stable in this situation and you are dealing with it in a very admirable way. That is what I'm seeing. I see somebody also watching you as someone who is very stable emotionally and very confident, determined, and mature person. That is what also I see. All right, so let's see what do we have as the obstacles or challenges. Okay, so maybe the situation around you, as I said, right, you might be dealing with this in a situation, or the people around or the situation around you is that so many ups and downs are happening. You might feel different emotions at a time, but you are dealing with the situation in a mature way, and that is what you have to do. That is what you have to do, like being it's like you need to tame a lion. So how will you tame a lion? You need to be very patient, you need to be very calm, very composed, and don't lose your patience. Deal with the situation with so much of maturity. For some of you, I see you are moving away from a situation which was very again giving you emotional turmoil, right? Basically you are moving towards the calmer water. Now for some of you, I see you are leaving a situation altogether. You may be relocating to a place where you will feel more calm and composed and stable. And also I see that it's like no turning back. Okay, that is what I'm getting. So whatever you have been dealing with, it's now coming to an end, and now you're moving towards the calmer water is what I'm seeing. Okay, I also see that there is this energy of coming out of a situation, coming out of a workplace, coming out of a place altogether, and moving towards something new. It can be a new relation, new workplace, a new place altogether, and there is this energy of moving towards something more peaceful, and from something which was not so easy to deal with. बहुत आपने बहुत ना इमोशनली आप आगे बढ़ रहे हो लाइफ में, जहाँ पे आपको सुकून शांति मिलेगी। आप जिस भी सिचुएशन में अभी डील कर रहे हो उसको आपको बहुत मेच्योरली डील करने की ज़रूरत है, बहुत पेशेंस के साथ डील करने की ज़रूरत है। दैट इज़ व्हाट आई एम सीइंग। मेनली आई सी इट्स ऑल अबाउट इमोशनल थिंग्स एंड ऑल द पॉजिटिव रीडिंग फॉर यू ओवरऑल इफ आई एम सीइंग राइट नाउ। Okay, that's good reading for Leo. Now the actions or advice for you here is you need to be childlike. Okay, जैसे child होते हैं ना, कोई भी kid होता है वो कितना innocent होता है, he ready to do everything. They don't know what will be the outcome. उनको फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता है कि outcome क्या होगा, उनका जो मन करता है वो कर देते हैं, राइट? सो दैट इज व्हाट आई एम सीइंग। यू नीड टू बी चाइल्ड लाइक। जब आप इस सिचुएशन से बाहर निकलोगे, सो यू नीड टू बी एक्टिव, यू नीड टू बी हैप्पी। ओके, आपको बहुत हैप्पीनेस के साथ चीज़ों को एक्सेप्ट करना है। यू डोंट हैव टू फोकस ऑन कि आई हैव डेल्ट विद सो मच, मैंने इतना सब देखा है, मैंने इतना सबसे डील किया है। नहीं, जो हो गया है सो हो गया है। अब आपको उस एनर्जी में और नहीं रहना है, रादर आपको अपनी एनर्जी, अपनी फ्रीक्वेंसी चेंज करनी है, एंड यू नीड टू डील विद द सिचुएशन विद सो मच ऑफ मेच्योरिटी एंड प्योर। ये बोलते हैं ना, एक नई शुरुआत करने का टाइम है, उस तरह की एनर्जी है। यू नीड टू स्टार्ट समथिंग with all the happiness, grace, having that gratitude, pure intentions, joy, and things will definitely work out in your favor because you are moving from this energy to this energy. Okay, so you need to be more open to the new things coming in your life. It's like welcoming everything with gratitude and welcoming everything with so much of uh, एनर्जी ऑफ ओके लेट्स सी, आई कैन डू इट, लाइक दैट, उस तरह की एनर्जी से आपको करना है। बिकॉज सन इज शाइनिंग ब्राइट, आपको सक्सेस मिलेगी। जो भी आप मे बी आप नए सिचुएशन में, नया जॉब आप ले रहे हो, आप नई जगह पर शिफ्ट कर रहे हो, आप किसी डिफिकल्ट कनेक्शन से बाहर आ रहे हो, सो यू डोंट हैव टू फोकस ऑन जो हो गया है उस पर, रैदर यू नीड टू बी, बोलते ना, एंकरेज रहना चाहिए आपको, बहुत हैप्पी रहना चाहिए कि कुछ नया स्टार्ट हो रहा है, एंड यू नीड टू सी थिंग्स फ्रॉम अ डिफरेंट एंगल, फ्रॉम दैट लाइक सन इज शाइनिंग ब्राइट एंड आई डोंट हैव टू डिम माई लाइट। ओके, उस तरह की एनर्जी है, अगेन डिमिंग माई लाइट। सो हियर द अपॉर्चुनिटी इज you know how to deal with the situation. It can be, for some of you, it can be a major significant or turning point of your life. Okay, because this is a major arcana card, and this basically tells about coming out of your comfort zone. So maybe आप जिस भी situation में थे, जो अब आप emotionally इतना deal कर रहे थे, तो somewhere वो आपका comfort zone बन गया था, and now it's like you are moving out from it towards something new, and आपको growth मिलेगी. There is a growth. As I said, you don't have to dim your light. You need to be energetic, you need to be open to new experiences, new things in your life, and you will definitely get success here. Okay, and आपने जो भी हार्ड वर्क किया है उसके रिवॉर्ड्स मिलने की बहुत अच्छे चांसेस हैं। मे बी आपको there is a good news coming in. For some of you, I see, if you are waiting for this message of conceiving, you might get that also. That is what I am seeing. This can be for very few of you, but there are chances that some of you might get pregnant, and you have been waiting for it for so long. Maybe because of that also, you were not dealing, maybe going through emotionally overwhelming situation. But now there is this strong chance that you might have that news finally, and यू नीड टू कम आउट ऑफ योर कंफर्ट जोन। आप दूसरों का ध्यान रखते हो, बट आप अपने आप को इग्नोर मत करिए। दैट इज ऑल्सो द मैसेज आई एम गेटिंग। सो यू नीड टू टेक केयर ऑफ योर सेल्फ, यू नीड टू कम आउट ऑफ योर स्टक एनर्जी, यू नीड टू कम आउट ऑफ योर कंफर्ट जोन, एंड you will definitely get success and the rewards of your hard work. Okay, the outcome here is you need to, as I said, आपको ना अगर आप बाहर आ रहे हो सिचुएशन से, तो आपको टेम्पररी डिस्ट्रैक्शंस हो सकते हैं। मे बी यू आर फोकसिंग ऑन टू मेनी थिंग्स एट अ टाइम। सो आपको प्रायोरिटाइज करने की ज़रूरत है कि किस चीज़ को आपको इम्पॉर्टेंस देनी है। अगर आपके वर्क लाइफ में, आपको पर्सनल लाइफ में और वर्क लाइफ में आपको बैलेंस क्रिएट करने की ज़रूरत है। ऑल्सो आई एम सीइंग दैट देयर इज़ अ नीड दैट यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ मच इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट टू बी डिस्क्लोज। आप अपने बारे में कितनी इन्फॉर्मेशन किसको डिस्क्लोज कर रहे हो, उस चीज़ पे भी ध्यान रखिए। अपने इमोशंस को और अपने वर्क लाइफ, अपने प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ को बैलेंस करके रखिए। एंड यू नीड टू बहुत इमोशनल होकर चीज़ों को डील नहीं करना है, बहुत लॉजिकल और बहुत प्रैक्टिकली डील नहीं करना है. यू नीड टू फिगर आउट अ मिडल वे, राइट? सो उस तरह का एनर्जी है. यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज इंपॉर्टेंट एंड व्हाट इज नॉट, एंड अकॉर्डिंगली focus towards it by creating a balance. Okay, that is what the message for you, Leo, is. We'll see what is a guiding message. It's a good reading, basically. Yeah, it's a good reading for you, Leo, for October. Please do claim the positive energy from this reading. And let's see what is the guiding message from the angels and ancestors deck for Leo. For Leo, what's the message for Leo? All right. Okay, so we'll take one. So we have the wise one. Okay, so it's like grow within from your current situation again. So it's like you need to deal with the situation in a more mature way. तो जो भी आपको experiences हुए हैं, जो भी आपने situation से जिस तरह से भी deal किया है, आप उसको अपने best way में use करो, so that it can help you to grow. Basically you also need to focus on how you can यूज द सिचुएशन फॉर योर ओन गुड. मे बी अगर आप किसी कनेक्शन से आप बाहर आ रहे हो जो बहुत डिस्टर्बिंग था, सो नाउ यू नीड टू चेंज योर पर्सपेक्टिव दैट एवरीथिंग इज नॉट द सेम ऑलवेज, एंड यू नीड टू use your experience, use your whatever you have gone through. You need to understand that, analyze the situation from all the angles, and then take the action towards it. It's like you need to grow. You need to grow from all that you have learned. You don't have to stuck in that energy, because अगर आप अपना lesson learn नहीं करोगे तो यूनिवर्स आपको उसी टेस्ट में बार बार भेजता रहेगा, आपको वही टेस्ट लेता रहेगा. So you have to focus on your lessons and grow from it. Okay, grow from your current situation. So that's the reading for you, Leo. Please do claim the positive energy from this reading, and if you have liked it, please do like this video. And अगर आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो I request you to please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.